Flash has a total of 8 transition classes. In this video I'm going to briefly explain how to use the other ones because they require different parameters. Here's a list of all the different transition classes in Flash. Blinds, Fly, Iris, Pixel Dissolve, Rotate, Squeeze, Wipe, and Zoom. First, Blinds. It requires 2 other parameters. Num strips, which is the number of strips that come in, can be a number from 1 to 50. And dimension, either 0 or 1. 0 for vertical or 1 for horizontal. Next is Fly. Fly has one other parameter called start point. 1 is the top left, 2 is the top middle, 9 is the bottom right, 5 is the center, and so forth. Iris has 2 other parameters. Start point works the same as Fly, 4 being center left, 8 being bottom center, and so on. Also has shape. When you define the shape, you say iris.square in all caps or iris.circle in all caps. Pixel Dissolve has 2 extra parameters, X sections and Y sections. Each are numbered 1 to 50. It's how many segments are on the X-axis and how many segments are on the Y-axis. Rotate has 2 extra parameters. CCW stands for counterclockwise. True will make it rotate counterclockwise. False will make it rotate clockwise. Degrees is the number of degrees of rotation. 360 degrees is 1 rotation, 720 is 2 rotations, and so on. Squeeze has 1 extra parameter, dimension, either 0 or 1. 0 for horizontal, 1 for vertical. Wipe has 1 extra dimension too. Start point works the same way as Fly and Iris. And Zoom, you've already seen, doesn't require any extra parameters. And so that is the gist of transition classes. So if you want to use any of these classes, all you do is add on those parameters at the end or at the beginning. It doesn't really matter where you put them in when you're adding them within the brackets. But that's how to use all those transition classes.